Hello, George here, and today I will repot my Mosso Bamboo, which was grow beautiful from seed, and did grow in a plastic bottle, and have to repot and remove this plastic bottle. I already did that, and look, moss did grow as you can see. Well, this is the root system. They are gorgeous, and have to repot. Look at the lovely leaves and young shoots. Yeah, the pot, I'm gonna use this bucket as you can see, and the soil from the forest I took, and it's really beautiful bamboo and hope the soil will like. I have planted already and already have to add soil around it, and I'm gonna finish with it. As you can see, I'm done with it. So beautiful now. I will no water because the soil is wet. And here will stay all winter my bamboo, and in spring will grow new shoots.